Okay, checklist number 8 again, emergency operation. Letter B is main engine stop and main engine control giveaway. Actually, medyo na-discuss na natin sa last nating video, pero ulitin natin.
Bridge telegraph position should be set to stop.
So, from the bridge, send ng command yung bridge using telegraph. Sabi niya, bridge telegraph position should be set to stop. Isa-set ito nung nasa bridge. So, si Kapitan, ayan, stop.
Main engine emergency telegraph position should be set to stop.
So, magbi-blink yung engine telegraph, nagbi-blink yung stop. So, ganun din dito sa control room. Ayan, ito yung, nasa loob ng control room ito. But since yung control ng makina ay nasa emergency control, pupunta tayo dun sa window ng emergency control. Ito ngayon ay nandun sa side ng mismong main engine natin. So, i-acknowledge natin to. Okay.
Main engine emergency control stop button should be pressed until engine stops.
So, this is the main engine emergency control stop. Pipindutin natin to. Pwede rin ito, pero ito yung gamitin natin.
Governor disconnection wheel position should be set to governor.
So, hintayin muna natin na mag-zero. So, assuming na yung procedures ng nilagay sa emergency control and astern is parang nag-testing lang. Para in case of emergency, magre-reverse ba yung main engine natin? Kung magluko man sa control room, gagana ba sa engine side? So, ngayon, para bang tapos na yung testing, kukonect na uli natin yung governor. Press natin to.
Control mode lever position should be set to remote.
So, ibabalik na natin yung control sa remote.
Emergency fuel setting blue right button should be pressed.
So, ito raw, blue right button para ito, setting na to ay bumaba. Ayan, pindutin natin. Ayan, bumaba.
Emergency fuel setting blue right button should be pressed again.
Again.
Okay. Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window.
So, nasa control room na ngayon. Yung control ng engine, wala na dito ngayon sa engine side. Pag pumunta tayo sa control panel, ayan. So, kung i-start man ni Bridge, sabi niya, gusto niya ng makina. So, dito na siya gagamit ng telegraph. So, try natin. Dead slow. Dito na ngayon. Ayan. Acknowledge. Ayan. So, pwede na natin i-start dito. Pwede na tayo mag-start dito. So, okay. Ayan. Nasa control room. Try natin. So, umikot yung makina, more than 40, ilagay natin sa 1.5. 1.5 yung fuel setting ng control lever. So, tingnan natin yung RPM. Ayan. So, nag-steady siya sa 46, 45. So, natin taasan. Sabi ni Bridge,
Main engine heavy vibrations.
Pag ganyan,
please change the main
delikado
engine
yan.
speed immediately.
Bilisan mo daw, taas mo. Yon. Taas natin para tumaas yung RPM kasi nasa critical
main engine heavy
RPM siya.
vibrations.
Ganun pa din.
Please change the main engine speed immediately.
Yun. Bilisan mo daw, sabi niya. So, look at the RPM, 47, 48. Kasi, masisira yung mga bearing ng makina pag ganun ng vibration yun. Let's say, sabi ng bridge, stop. So, control room, acknowledge. Then, yan. Ulitin natin. Start. Sorry. Bridge, dead slow. Okay, astern mo. Astern. Dead slow, astern. Acknowledge. Lever to start. Hintay yung umikot ng more than negative 40. Then, lagay natin sa 2.5. Sabihin na natin. Or 2 point something. Yan. So, let's say okay na, umiikot na pa astern, sabi ng bridge stop. So, lagay natin itong acknowledge. So, stop natin. Ayan. Okay, F4.